Okay, so I wanted to point something out that happened on this side when I was taking it apart. I'm on the right front now. Now, I know this might be a little bit difficult to see. There are two gaskets mashed together. You can see the line in between them. Now, this banjo bolt, which is supposed to go onto this brake line, okay, there's only supposed to be two washers. The order is bolt, washer, banjo, washer, and then into the caliper. This one, whoever did the brake job last, was not paying attention apparently and ended up with two washers. Now this did not create a problem, but it can. You get these two pieces, and it's possible that you could create a leak in between the washers. So just something to keep an eye out on. And also I wanted to show you another little tool that I like. As I saw these deflectors, look at these things. This is just nothing. They're all falling apart. Complete waste. And the bolts on the other side were, I don't know why this thing isn't focusing. There you go. Rusted in place, head stripped, and found this little extractor tool that when you run it left hand, you bang this thing on there with a hammer, and then you run it left hand to and these teeth bite into the head of the bolt even if it's rounded off, and most of the time it comes out. So let's give it a try. Yeah. See if I can do it without dumping it into the drain pan. So I'll take a look. Banged it on this bottom one here. Use my assault screwdriver and see what comes out. Presto! Well, I'll get back to you as I uncover some more rust bucketness.